Okay, this is a quick video on how to use a wire tracker. This Sperry wire tracker has several different probes that you can use, from RJ45 to phone jack to clips and coax. Today we're going to use the clip. What we're doing is tracing these wires in my motorhome that are wired to the roof, and I just want to make sure that the wire that I think is going to the roof is going to the roof. So what I'm going to do is, on one side, I will bare the wire, like so, and then add the clip. Sorry, I'm doing this with less hands than I need. So I'll clip onto the wire, and then I will start the tracker, and it's going to send just a little tone down the wire, and then I'll go up on the roof and just ensure. Now this will shut off in like 45 minutes if I don't do anything. Then I'm going to use this tester probe up on the roof to see which wire it is. Alright, so join me up there. Okay, now up here on the roof we have the yellow and the white wire, the positive and the negative, the ones that I'm testing. And what I do to test it is I just push this on button on this tester, and if it's the right wire, you hear that sound. But problem, I also touch this wire and I also hear a sound. So this tester does have an adjustment to just adjust the sensitivity of this probe, and I can turn this down to where it's barely making a noise or making no noise, and then I can't hear it on this one either. So what's happening here is there's a little bit of current draw between these two, or not current draw, but interference happening between these two, because they're running right down the same path along each other. And that will happen, but what you basically want to listen for is whatever one is louder. So much quieter and louder. So that's the one. So I'm showing you that just so that you don't just take the first wire that has a tone and say, oh, that must be the wire. You should test all the wires that could logically be a possibility and go from there. So hope that was helpful. If you like this video, please subscribe below.